has been a struggle for him. So he wants to make up for it at the free throw line. 6 na puntos para kay Justin Sanchez.
Makita mo siya, Justin Sanchez, kahit matagal siyang hindi pinasok, naglaro, makita mo yung kumpiyansa niya. Alam niya, it's penalty. He has the advantage, he has the foot speed, ayan ang resulta.
Oh, Enot was waiting, although he missed it. Ball will be tapped out. Folks, we have a 4-point game. Could be another wild finish in NCAA Season 101. Sanchez thought about the three. They spray, three-pointer off. Sanchez gets it back. Ancheta outside. Jomel. Tony, closely guarded. 4 to shoot. Enot, extra pass. Gaspay! Kaboom! Jake Gaspay with a big-time hit to make it a 1-point game.
Yan, nakakagulat. Para itira ni Gaspay yun, pero wala nang choice eh. Smart move para kay Gaspay.
First basket for Jake Gaspay, and what a time for it to come. San Beda has the basketball. Sahonia for 3. Got it! What an answer from Brian Sahonia. 21 points for him. Benio needs to move quickly. Tony for 3. Yes! A bucket for a bucket for a bucket inside the final minute.
Mahaba pa to. Bart.
And Gaspay gives up the foul.
Medyo nagpalabas na si Tony Enot. Nakita natin, nagka-cramps na rin.
How about this, Jake Gaspay? Kumpiyansa yung tres coach. Palitan ng tres sa magkabilang panig. Brian Sahonia with confidence here. Nakadikit sa kanya si Ancheta doon. Didn't matter.
Wala na, nakabuelo na masyado si Brian Sahonia.
And then, Tony Enot pulling the trigger for his 4th triple of the game.